Yeah, I'm going to the South China Sea tomorrow.
Wow.
So here we go again, another adventure. This time off the coast of Indonesia at the South China Sea. It is a well-known hotspot for bottom fishing and some pretty good light jigging. Joining me on the journey will be the hilarious uncle Ryan, JC, the guy who you saw from my Marina South Pier video, and also Wei Jian, who is one of my friends. He's pretty cool. We started our journey at the Marina Country Club at Pongo, where we met Captain Millie and boarded the Sports Fishing Explorer 2. The Sports Fishing Explorer 2 is probably one of the names you would hear when people talk about South China Sea fishing here in Singapore. So before we set off on our journey, JC will give you a tour on the boat.
So now we are on board the Sports Fishing Explorer. So I will show you the room first. This is the room. Nice air condition. I sleep here. Wow, they never pack so normally when they pack already, very nice one. Very nice, very cool. Okay, now I bring you to the top.
Bring us to the top.
Okay. When the bag is crowded, I will fish here. Very nice open area for the fishing. Bring you to the second floor. At night, you can chill down here, drink coffee. Then Captain's deck, very good. So, wait, let me present to you and welcome you to the Sports Fishing Explorer.
Before we could start fishing, we have to travel for about 4 to 5 hours to the South China Sea. So along the way, we had a good rest, had some good food, ate dinner, and before you know it, we are there. But before we could start fishing, we had to catch bait. Once we got sufficient bait, it was time to fish. But for me, it was more like time to puke. So yeah, I had really bad seasick and I went back to sleep. But when I woke up in the morning, Wei Jian had a fish on. After landing the diamond trevally, Wei Jian actually hooked to a humongous fish. It was so huge that we had to take turns to fight it. But sadly, Ryan lost the fish. Although we were sad that we lost the big fish, when the sun rose, we were greeted by a school of pelagics. And this means some pretty sick light jigging.
累啊，第二只很累，今天中很多只了，哇，爽了。
So the jigging frenzy lasted for about 4 hours, but after that, the fishing has kind of gone quiet. And we hopped around to many spots, but we didn't really catch much fish, so we spent most of the time eating and talking and stuff like that. But at night, it was time for us to catch squid.
我们现在做什么？
我们现在要做 squid jigging。
哦，现在钓 squid 哦，钓那个手动 squid 的。多了，这样就走了，放下去啊，就有了咯。等一下你再看哦，等一下你再拍就可以看到了。
Okay, now you see. Oh, okay, get kena already. This one kena already. See ah, see the rock go down, the squid kena already.
Wow. Muscles here. 这个也是重要，这个也是重要。啊。Another one on here. Okay. So what's this
Rocket.
Why is it called rocket?
I don't know.
They shape like a rocket.
The South China Sea is known for bottom fishing, catching a lot of table fish like the golden snapper and stuff, but we didn't really catch any so far. So that night, we decided to have one last go and try to catch a decent table-sized fish. I first got a hookup and I thought, damn, I'm finally gonna catch my first golden snapper. But when I reeled the fish up, it turns out to be a barracuda. But after that, as we were just about to go to bed, Ryan felt a sudden thud on his rod. So yeah, we were rather contented that, you know, at least we managed to catch one golden snapper, which we could have for like zi cha dinner or something. And after that, we left for Singapore the next morning, and that was the end to our awesome South China Sea trip.
房间不用带的呗。
Mr. Day，
别打累了。
那个很爽嘛，Friday 很爽嘛。
这样爽，都没有女孩子这样爽，有女孩子还爽啊，全部腿这样爽。
哇啦！你在一补耶！
等一下，它差不多10点了。那你是你的演技啊？没在那个桶哦，白色的 box 里面。白色的 box 里面的你没有了，那个了，好了，你不要看呼吸，就是你爸爸的那个啊，那个啊，对。